Okay. Potato. Are you gonna come walk and see Mom? Yeah? Are you gonna go backwards? See ya! Hey, that's a fan. Come on, monkey. Where are you going? You gonna come see Mom? Oh, you're gonna bump things. Come on, this way. Come on. You coming? Come on, come this way. Say forward march. Baby. Oh, you're going backwards. See, Shelly said we go backwards before forwards. Cass. Cassie, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Good girl.